If you're looking to make money online, but you're not sure where to get started, then you might want to check out Hostinger. Hello and welcome back to the channel where we teach you different side hustles to make money online. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make money online using Hostinger. So first things first, what is Hostinger? Hostinger is a web hosting company that enables its users to start their websites and help them succeed online. They also have a lot of other features like an AI website builder provider, making it super easy to get started building websites, even if you don't have any experience in doing so. So in a nutshell, Hostinger is SaaS, or software as a service, designed to create and host a website. So today we're going to be talking about how to create your own affiliate marketing website using Hostinger so that you can start earning money online. Affiliate marketing websites can generate a ton of money, but the two main ways to do so is through affiliate marketing links and then getting paid per views by Google. This is sort of similar to AdSense on the YouTube partner program, if you're familiar with how that works. But the very first thing that you need to do to get set up with your affiliate marketing website is to set up your affiliate marketing website. And I would encourage you to do so by using Hostinger. And you can get started with Hostinger using the link down in the description. Getting your website set up on Hostinger is super easy. And once your affiliate marketing website is set up, you can start reaching out to relevant companies and sign up for their affiliate program and start placing these affiliate links strategically throughout your affiliate marketing website. And then when people use your affiliate link, you will earn a commission. And that's one of the main ways that you're going to make money online using Hostinger to create your affiliate marketing website. So here's a quick look at some of the commission rates that you can earn from becoming an Amazon affiliate, which is a super common affiliate program, and it's pretty easy to get started with. So if we take a look here, you can earn up to 20% commission on things like Amazon games. Now that might not be something that you'll be selling, but that's the highest commission rate that they offer. If we take a look down the line here, there's things like luxury beauty, luxury stores beauty, Amazon Explorer, and you can earn a 10% commission on those products. Take a look at all the different products here. And then at the bottom, there is this all other categories where you can earn up to 4% commission, which is pretty good. So in order to make money with your affiliate marketing website, you can create different types of content to put on your affiliate marketing website in order to promote these links and get your viewers to use these links so that you can get paid. You can create reviews of products that you enjoy or have found helpful to help your audience make informed decisions, and then you make money when they use your link. Another common type of content to make for these affiliate marketing websites would be how-to or tutorial style content similar to this video, and then give your audience a call to action to use your link. So let's take a look at how much money you could make in a scenario like this. Let's say that you sign up for Amazon's affiliate program, and let's say you're writing a review article on your affiliate marketing website for a $100 product that qualifies for the 4% commission rate. So each sale, you're going to make $4. Now, let's say that you can get 100,000 views on your website consistently each month, and 5% of the viewers convert into buyers. So that comes out to 5,000 buyers multiplied by a $4 commission rate, and that's $20,000. Now, that is the primary way to make money with your affiliate marketing website. The other way to make money with your affiliate marketing website is getting paid per views by Google. So once your affiliate marketing website starts to gain some traction, then Google will actually start paying you for page views. So earnings can vary from about 50 cents to $2.50 per 1,000 views. But several factors influence this, including your affiliate marketing website's niche, audience location, and ad technicalities. Now, while this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, over time, this type of business model can seriously add up if you're willing to put in the work. For example, let's say that you've been diligently working on your affiliate marketing website for a while now, and you're averaging 100,000 page views per month. Let's take a look at how much money you could earn on the low end. So remember, it's 50 cents per 1,000 views. So for 100,000 views, that would come out to $50. But let's say that your website got 1 million views in the month. At that 50-cent rate, that will come out to $500 per month. Now, this might not seem like much, but if you are also using affiliate links like we talked about earlier, then you can start to make some serious money. Now, one way to increase your income in both the affiliate links as well as getting paid by Google is to work on your SEO, or your search engine optimization. SEMrush is a great tool that we use to improve our own SEO. So be sure to check out the link down in the description for SEMrush to help rank your website higher in search so you can earn more money with your affiliate marketing website. So getting signed up for Hostinger is super simple. If you head over to hostinger.com/Charlie Chang and use code Charlie Chang, you'll land on a special page offering exclusive pricing specifically for our audience, with prices starting at less than $3 a month. You'll find a variety variety of different hosting options available, including premium, business, and cloud startup hosting. Now, for the majority of you watching, the premium hosting package should be more than enough to meet your needs. And one of my favorite features of Hostinger is that on a single plan, it supports the creation of up to 100 different websites. Along with this, you're granted limitless bandwidth, a hefty 100 gigabytes of SSD storage for quick access, a complimentary domain, no-cost SSL certification, and regular weekly backups at no extra charge. Hostinger also provides the freedom to choose the duration of your hosting plan, offering terms of 48, 24, 12, or even a single month plan. However, I wouldn't recommend the 1 month option as it just doesn't make economical sense in the long run. Opting for the longer durations of the 12, 24, or 48 month, I would recommend to get the most value. And don't forget to apply the Charlie Chang discount code at checkout for additional savings. So if you want to get started with Hostinger to start your own affiliate marketing website, then there will be a link down in the description to get started today. You can go to hostinger.com/Charlie Chang and don't forget to use code Charlie Chang, all one word. And if you want to learn even more about affiliate marketing, there's a link down in the description to sign up for our free affiliate marketing course, so be sure to check that out as well. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and we will see you in the next video.